Hey there mga my loves, Gemini. Thank you so much for always staying here with me in the channel. Hi and hello sa mga new subscribers. By the way, my name is Yan. And to the returning subscribers, thank you so much for the warm love and support you're giving me. Sarang heyo everyone. So yeah mga babes, no, bago tayo mag-start, reminders na dito for everybody. And wala tayong gender, wala rin tayo ritong age. Okay, so timeless ito. So fast watchers, you're also welcome right here no do. You're also welcome right here, mga babes. So, ano pang hinihintay natin? Let's jump right into this reading for your November 2023. Spirit Angel Guides, Archangel Michael, thank you so much. Can we get messages for my Gemini people, please? Gemini for November 2023, please. Gemini. Okay, wow. Ang bilis nating nakuha yung energy ngayon, mga babes, no? So, Gemini for November, you've got right here this waves. Yeah, see, ang bilis at ang lakas, ang intense emotions coming. There is something here going and it looks like it will be in waves. Ang nakuha ko dito, mukhang meron dito mga babes no, na magpapa-excite sa inyo, magpapataas dito mga babes na emotions running high kasi yung nakukuha ko rito. No? So, ibig sabihin, this will make you feel really excited. But I do get that this is something positive. So, i-claim na natin agad yun kasi yun yung nakuha natin dito. So, you are about to feel excited about something. And that's what we're gonna find out. And yeah, you've got right here as well this hamster wheel, surviving daily hustle. Looks like money is coming in. Money, money, money. So whatever the case may be, looks like yung iba sa inyo, ito naman talaga yung goal ninyo, no, every day, like, to produce more money, how to expand your money right here, yeah. And then picking up that it will be continuously, no, na mangyayari. So, tingnan natin kung may kinalaman ito doon sa good news na to, no. You've got here the hamster wheel, see? A lot of money, a lot of greens right here, a lot of stability coming into you guys, no? And this will help you survive, no? Yung mga dapat ninyong bayaran, bilhin, foods, no? And other needs sa home, sa life ninyo, bayad sa kuryente, tubig, and other utilities right here, yan. No? Wow, money is coming. Money is coming right here and maaring ito yung magpapa-excite sa inyo. And also, we've got right here this journal. So, writing, diary, keeping notes, maaring mahilig ka rin kasi magsulat or baka pati na ito ng trabaho mo or everyday mo, no? Baka may diary kang literal or may journal ka or baka mahilig ka mag-take down ng notes yan, especially yung mga importante and you find significant, no? Not because makakalimutin ka, but because you are really worth writing yung mga worthy na words or parang yung mga ayaw mo rito na makalimutan. Yung gusto mo natatandaan mo ito kasi powerful yun sa'yo or ang dating nun sa'yo is something here positive. Or kung ano man yun, parang bago yung idea na yun, ayaw mo yun na makalimutan. So yung iba, I'm getting this is somehow related to manifestation here. So, I think you are doing the script writing. So, sinusulat mo dito na yung mga gusto mo dito na mangyari sa life mo. Yeah, that's also what I'm getting. Maaring yung work mo may kinalaman rin sa pagsusulat. So, baka yung iba sa inyo writer. O yung iba wala namang kinalaman sa inyong trabaho pero baka magaling ka palang magsulat ng mga kanta, mga tula, no? At meron ka rito parang gifted ka. No? Lumunok ng mga babes. Tuloy-tuloy kasi yung pagsasalita ko eh. Gifted ka na pagdating rito no sa pagsusulat. So maaring ikaw rin no ay noon, alam mo yun na nag-aaral ka pa no, maaring best in writing ka no or baka ikaw to na klase ng energy no na meron ka rito. Yung sinasali ka sa mga pambato, yan no, hindi yung pambato. Pambato no ng school ninyo no sa declamation or sa writing contest yan no. So yeah, added information to that journal is we've got right here the negotiator, bargaining, begging right here. Oh, so it looks like it's a different energy right here. So it looks like, alam mo ito, alam mo kasi I'm an intuitive reader. Yeah. Okay, psychic intuitive reader. So whatever the case may be, history with the past happened right here. I think there is something here na pwedeng gamitin niya ang pagsusulat or this person will communicate sa'yo rito, no? Pero, iniisip niya pa kung paano niya yun gagawin at isasagawa, no? This person might be thinking or composing right here some kind of a letter na pwede siyang makipag-negotiate sa'yo rito. Yan, no? Para makuha niya rito yung loob mo. To the point na this person wants this letter, no? Na maramdaman mo, okay, kahit hindi mo siya rito, alam mo yung kuha ko rito, this is a communication, might be through phone call, might be through letter, or might be through messenger, or any social media applications. Kasi hindi niya kayang humarap sa'yo eh. Pero pansinin mo, okay, tubig kasi yun eh, mga mahal, yung binuga dyan. So, ibig sabihin, this person is coming in, kung ano man yung isusulat niya, sasabihin sa'yo, no, hindi niya kayang humarap at hindi ito kayang sabihin, no, ng harapan sa'yo. Pero ito ay galing sa kanyang puso. Punong-puno ng emosyon itong tao na to, no, and with this kind of energy begging, siguro may nagawa itong mali sa'yo, but we're gonna clarify this one. Okay, Gemini, so yun ang nakikita ko rito, no? So, hindi niya kayang humarap sa'yo, no? At alam niya rito mga babes, no, na medyo maaring, ikaw kasi yung parang klase ng tao dito na appreciate mo eh, yung mga long messages. So, maaring yun yung gamitin niya rito. Yeah. I'm getting a lot of emotion. Habang kino-compose niya 'to, puwedeng baka naiiyak siya or naluluha siya. Basta a lot of emotion to the point na parang natitiri-eye siya or dalang-dala ng damdamin. 'Yan, alamin natin 'yan. Pero unahin muna natin, ano 'tong something excited na 'to. Positive yung nakukuha ko diyan, eh. Let's go. Oh, so that could be somewhat here a higher level. May ascending dito mga babes, no? So, if you happen to be, okay, nililigawan or may nililigaw sa inyo or nililigawan nyo siya, it's a yes, it's a confirmation of yes. Yes ang nakikita ko rito. Higher level ito. So, it's a yes, sasagutin ka niya. Meron dito mangyayaring relationship. Yeah, this is somewhat the excited feeling, no, of emotions running high. So, kung ano man ito, this will excite you. Yan. So, it is a form of a new relationship if that is the case that you are in, Gemini. Pero sa iba, maaring itong Hierophant is ang higher level of position. So, pwedeng kayo to na may tinatarget kayong promotion or baka may tinatarget kayong quota or may tinatarget kayo rito, no, na maabot na money or ma-target rito na malaking income. So, whatever the case may be, nakukuha kong yun yung makukuha mo. Kaya pala almost na parang mapapa-jump shot ka for joy. So, yeah, there's waves right here to the point na yung feelings and emotions mo are really running high. Na parang, um, ito yung klase ng saya na papatalon ka sa tuwa. Ganun yung klase ng energy. So, kung ano yan, yun yung iniintay mo. Yan yung bagay rito, no, na nakikitaan ko rito na magkukomit ka dyan. So, whether that's a relationship, whether that's work, that's what I'm getting. Okay. Tell me about this waves. Why is waves here? Why is waves here for Gemini, please? Especially kung yung nililigawan mo, may nililigawan ding meron ding nanliligaw sa kanyang iba. I'm seeing you winning. You will get that spot. Kumbaga, you will have that spotlight, whether that's work, whether that's commitment in there. Yeah, so waves is being clarified as the Ace of Swords. Yeah, truth is right here. Good news is coming. Ace of Swords yun. Woo! Money, money, money. O Gemini, hindi ko lang kung anong ginagawa nyo, no? Pero kung ano tong excited na papalapit sa inyo, ayan lang naman yung truth. 10 of coins energy. This is my hitting the jackpot energy. So, kung ano man yan, see what's next, hamster wheel. You will receive talaga money. Yung iba commitment yan na stable. Seryosong commitment, no? Ano yan, maghihigit yan kaysa sa wedding ceremony. Aabot kayo ng tao na yan kung commitment naman yan, romantic commitment naman yan para sa iba sa inyo. So, sa nakikita ko rito, kaya palang papag-excite sa inyo to, 10 of coins naman pala. Ito yung sukdulan hitting the jackpot, no, on the tarot deck. So, whatever the case may be, nakikita ko dito mga babes, kung ano man ito paparating sa inyo, ka-excite naman talaga. Kasi at the bottom of the deck, we've got right here the Four of Coins. Yeah, this is something that you will really hug. Like, you will not believe na nakuha mo to, di ka makapaniwala, is it real? Yeah, it's happening right here, Gemini. That's what I'm sensing. So, sino-sino man makaka-resonate rito, ito yung bagay na to na iniintay mo talagang mangyari. Kasi, ang Ace of Swords is magandang balita. Good news it is. At yan na nga, no, sinecond emotion pa nitong Ten of Coins na ito. So, kung ano man to, no, there are waves of excited, no? Excitement, feeling excited right here, no? Coming towards you, and it is an involvement, no? Bala kayo kung anong sitwasyon nyo dyan. Pero whether commitment, romantic relationship yan, at saka pera, lakak. Yan, nakikita ko mayayakap niyo, baka halikan niyo pa yung envelope na yan, and that you do not see that coming. You do not see that coming, kaya nga kinanta ko na. Wow! Mapapayakap at baka kung yan ay sulat, mahalikan mo pa yung kartero. Yeah, we're starting to clarify this hamster wheel, and there you go. The magician is right here. It has something to do with your manifestation, Gemini. So if you're manifesting here, money is coming towards you. Yeah, like literally. Meron ka pa rito mga babes, no? Kung dati sakto lang na pambili mo ng merienda, no? Yung nakitira sa wallet mo, no? Pwede ka pang mag-midnight snack. At pwede mo pang ilibre ang buong bahay, pati ang kapitbahay nyo. So, whatever the case may be, tell me why is hamster wheel is here. Hamster wheel, please clarify, please. Alam mo, nakuha ko nito. Nag-struggle kayo, no? Sa mga previous months. Pwedeng matagal na nga rin sa iba. Pagdating sa pera. Like, either sakto lang na parang ito yung budget ninyo in a day, napapagkasya, then carry na. Tapos wala na kayo rito parang pambili ng mga gusto ninyong bilhin online or sa mall or whatever, no? Like sakto lang, sumasapat lang, ganyan, no? Pero dito you will have more. Yan, no? Kung dati mga babes, kumakain ka, wala kang dessert, ngayon, pwede na. Wow, diba? Like ice cream, Starbucks, no? Sino mangongolekta ng stickers dyan? Baka naman. Money. So, yun nga, no? Let's see. Hamster is being clarified by this 8 of Wands energy. It's coming in fast right here, mga babes, no? 5 of Coins energy. Oh! Okay. Here's the deal. Okay. Money is coming, pero ang advice ninyo is this 5 of Coins energy, temperance to the King of Wands. So, may kinalaman talaga to sa trabaho ninyo. Either ma-meet nyo yung quota or either mag-increase dito yung salary mo. Ingat-ingat lang, no? Kasi nakikita ko rito na mabilis itong papasok sa life mo. Okay, do not miss this opportunity. Okay, hindi sa dadaan lang yan or what, no? Kumbaga, sinasabi rito na maghini-hini ka sa paggamit ng money. Yung add to cart na yan, huwag nyo munang sabay-sabay i-check out. Or kung meron man kayo rito, no, na parang, kasi nakakita tayo dito ng posibleng may mag-overspend. Kasi makikitang tuloy-tuloy na ito. Okay? Alam naman natin, no, na ang sobra ay masama, no? At saka, hindi naman sa parang gustong bawiin sa inyo, pero kasi universe is also trying to see if you can handle here large money. Okay? You know what I mean. So, if you can handle, example, if you can handle 1,000 pesos, no, like, literally, marunong ka kung paano mo yun gagamitin, ano yung mga bagay na datunahin at bilhin, no, then the universe will give you double. Diba? 2K ibibigay sa'yo. Yung ganun, no? Example yung mga babes. So, ibig sabihin, you will receive here a lot of money. You will hit here the jackpot. Yan, when it comes to your work and finances. Pero, nandito pa rin yung parang oops, wait lang, wag kang mag-overspend. Yan, no? Kasi if the universe will see na mag-overspend ka, okay, then you're telling them that you're not really prepared to receive your large amount. So they're gonna postpone it or they're gonna kukuhain mo na ito sa'yo pansamantala. Yeah, ganun yun. Okay? So whatever the case may be, practice now, okay, yung tamang paggastos, tamang paggamit ng money. Kasi nakakita ko rito, no, nung parang may mag-overspend. To the point na, kunyari, dalawa yung bibilihin niyang items. No? Pero yung items na yun is yung isa nun is parang katumbas na ng 10 items yung halaga. Okay, that's what I'm sensing. So, meron ditong magandang oportunidad na nakikita ko pagdating sa trabaho ito. Yun na nakukuha ko dito at maaaring konektado yun dito. Kasi this is a large sum of money or nagkaroon ng increase. Kumbaga, nadagdagan at nagkaroon dito no, ng higit pa sa sobra. So, nakikita ko na ito ay magtutuloy-tuloy. Which is maganda naman yun. Pero kasi, kung ngayon pa lang, nagkakaroon ka na ng mindset no, kung paano mo gagastusin yung pera mo no, sa mga bagay na hindi naman dapat kailangan i-prioritize, then you're sending signal to the universe right here that you are not yet prepared for that one. Yeah. See, temperance, hinihinay lang mga babes, no? Kasi nakikita ko dito na itong opportunity, tinan mo, mapakita ko lang kasi alam niyo naman na nakahubad yung devil dito, so para hindi na natin siya i-blur din, no? See, this is obsession. Obsession in shopping, obsession in making right here like paggastos ng hindi naman kailangan. So yeah, overspending talaga. Okay? And yung iba, hindi overspending, pero tingnan-tingnan nyo rin, no? Kasi meron din dito mga people around you. Hindi lang ikaw yung nakamasid dyan. So, wag ka magbigay kahit na meron kang sapat na pera rito. Not because you do not want to help them, but because kilala mo naman kung sino yung mga dapat mo ritong pahiramin at nagsasabi ng totoo. So, ibig sabihin, meron rin dito mga nakapaligid sa'yo, no, na makakaalam mo rito ng about this money or about this abundance coming in sa'yo. This is fast, pero maaari rin ito sa yung bawiin fast. Bawiin in a way na hindi naman na ibabalik sa'yo. Na ibabalik pa rin to sa'yo. Pero yun nga lang, kailangan mo muna paghandaan. Because the universe wants you to learn how to spend money in a right way. Yan. Hala kayo dyan, may nag-overspend ba dyan? Paloka kayo. Yan, hindi naman yun para sa lahat. Okay. Basta paparating na ito, no, oportunidad pagdating sa money, trabaho, ikaangat ito ng salary ninyo or pera itong paparating sa inyo. Kung ano man yan, nakikita ko na higit yan sa sapat. Yeah. Okay, now let's clarify kung sino tong mag-message sa inyo. YS Journal and Negotiator here. Nagsusulat siya rito ng sulat with lots of emotions for you. This person did naging traitor siya sa'yo. Nag-traitor siya sa'yo rito. This person betrayed you. At nagdala ng sanga-sanga rito mga problema. Sumakit dito ang bawat nerves ng ulo mo. So whatever the case may be, this person is now into his or her emotions, especially on the month of November here. This person is having this kind of black and white colored mood right now. So, maaaring sa ay sad or lonely or this person here is parang hindi nagkaroon ng kulay yung life niya. Tingnan mo, this is sepia, brownish, blackish, okay, very vintage, no? So, it has something to do with someone from the past, with the past or history next. Para siya naging estatwa na parang natitigilan siya rito. Hindi niya kayang humarap sa'yo kaya idadaan niya na lang sa sulat. See? Kulang ng lakas ng loob. Strength card is right here. Pero gusto niya nang maging masaya. Tuloy yan. Either tatawagan ka niya Pero maaaring i-chat niya na lang yan or i-email niya sa'yo, i-Viber niya sa'yo, something na form ng text or message, no? Kasi manghihina yan kapag ginamit niya pa yung boses niya, natawagan ka. Lalo na pag humarap sa'yo, no talaga. So, maaari talagang chat, message, or email yung ma-receive mo. Okay. So, journal and negotiators being clarified by this Eight of Swords. Nakakulong siya rito, no? Sa vintage-like, black and white colored mood. So, maaring super lungkot niya talaga ngayon. No? Hindi niya alam kung paano siya makakaalis sa sitwasyon na yan, kung paano niya marireceive ulit yung maging masaya. Yan yung nakikita ko dito. Eight of swords to the eight of coins energy. Okay, this person really wants na makaalis rito. Ginagawa niya naman at gumagawa siya. Tinan mo, parang siya nagko-compose rito ng sulat, no? Meron siya ditong mesa, no? At hawak niya tong isang coin na ito, no? So, this person is actually wanting to have this fresh start sa life niya. Hindi siya makapagsimula rito sa life niya nang hindi niya naayos yung gusot niya with you. See, siya yung nagdulot ng sanga-sangang problema sa iyo, yung mga bagay na hindi nagpatulog sa'yo ng maayos before. Baka puro away kayo kasi arguments rin yun in the past. No? So, this person, it looks like your memories hunt this person here. Yeah, that's what I'm getting. See at the bottom of the deck. Yeah, see? Gusto niya na makalis sa sitwasyon na yun, pero tinan mo, nakatigil pa rin dito. Ito yung parang courses noon, mga babes. No? See, nakaupo yung mga yan na walang pag-andar, tapos may paglingon pa siya dyan. So, ibig sabihin, talagang tenga. No? Let's see what's next. Ni? Tenga nga. The hangman is right here. So, definitely, this person wants na magkaroon ng fresh start. Not necessarily na gusto niya makapagbalikan sa'yo. Pero gusto niya na magsimula rito ng bago. Gusto niya na maging masaya. Okay? Pero kailangan niya rito may ayusin. So, this person, it's like the universe is bringing back this person into your life para makahingi siya ng tawad sa'yo rito. Yan, no? Ang dami niya ritong na-realize. Pero nasa uncomfortable siyang sitwasyon dito. So, either mag-respond ka dun sa message niya or not. Parang okay lang, basta naiparating ko kay Gemini yung gusto ko sabihin at saka nakahingi ako ng tawad sa kanya. So, expect communication sa taong nag-traitor sa inyo or nanakit ng damdamin ninyo to the point na binasag niya yung trust ninyo, no? At brinok niya ang heart ninyo because of what he or she had done na betrayal or nag-traitor siya in the past. Yun yung nakukuha ko. Hindi niya kayang humarap sa inyo in person. At hindi niya rin kayo kayang tawagan. So, in short, it's a form of a letter or it's something here na email or pwede rin naman na text message or chat message. Tell me more for November para kay Gemini. Ano yung isip ng iba dyan? Okay lang, miss yan. Money, money, money. Money's coming. Yun ba yun? Basta money, money, money is coming. And let's see what else is coming for my Gemini in here. Yo, in the house. Siguro may nakikinig dyan ng R&B, no? Or parang may mga hip-hop. Yo, 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 yo. Break it down, yo. Di pa nagsisimula, break it down agad. So yeah, you got right here the faith, keep that faith alive. Your life is changing, shifting right here. Alam mo, manalig ka lang. Your eyes dito is naka-blindfold, oh. So whatever the case may be, kung ano man yung pinapangarap mo, pagbabagong gusto mo mangyari sa buhay mo, mangyayari at mangyayari yan. Basta maniwala ka. Keep that faith alive. Keep that hope up. Diba? Hope's up right here, mga Gemini, no? Kasi it's happening. See, you've got that in a right position. And there you go. You've got this good news here. Baka ito na yung simulan ng something na new reality for you guys. And you've got right here beginnings, exactly. Beginnings, colorful beginnings right here. Magkasimula na magkakulay dito ang buhay ninyo. It's a new life right here. Like literally na parang yung iba hindi nyo makailangan lumipat ng bahay. Pero it feels like na magla-light dito yung home ninyo. Mas to the point na ang ibig ko sabihin dun is parang mas magiging maaliwalas yung itsura ng inyong home. There's lighter vibe, parang walang problema, no? Gumagaan na rito ang lahat, nagsisimula na rito na sumayaw sa saliw ng mga, alam mo yung soft feather, parang unti-unti na rito na parang nagkakaroon dito, no, ng paggaan ang iyong sitwasyon at magtutuloy-tuloy yan kasi money, money, money. O Gemini, consistent kayo sa money, money, money na yan. Kaya i-claim nyo na yan. So, okay. So, at the bottom of the deck, you've got right here the vision. Yay! Someone here is coming and this person is being guided. This white horse sa tarot, mga mahal, no? Assistance yan. So, ibig sabihin, this person here is ina-assist ni universe right here. So, this could be your knight in shining armor or this could be someone here na princess in shining armor. Natin gender dito, no? Pero nakakuha tayo rito na either this person is new love for you guys, no? Pero nakakuha tayo dito ng young vibe of energy. Pwedeng mas younger siya sa inyo by age, pero parang significant yung dating niya sa buhay ninyo. Okay? Sa lahat, hindi yan romantic relationship, pero meron ditong mas bata sa inyo or baka nagdadala ng isang young vibe or pwedeng yung itsura niya no is hindi, kumbaga, hindi mo masabi yung edad niya sa itsura niya, parang gano'n, no? Whoever that individual is, may significant siyang role sa life mo. Malaki. Sa pagpasok niya rito, magsisimula na rito magbago ang mundo mo in a very positive way. Oh, it's like a riddle. Let's see what's next. Yeah, we have right here the wild flower. See? Okay, sana nakikita rito. Ayan o, I'm the flower. Okay. So, whatever the case may be, meron talaga ditong young vibe. Sa iba pwedeng significant na baka literal na child yung dumating sa life ninyo, pero definitely connected to new beginnings. Colorful, where there's lots of abundance, blooming and opening of doors of opportunities, no? Pero spirits are challenging you that see it from your own vision. You do not need na maging tarot or energy reader, but you need to open here your heart and to see, okay? Kaya kayo naka-blindfold dyan, di ba? This is you na kailangan ninyong manatili sa pananampalataya ninyo. You love God even though you do not see Him, isn't it? You believe in God even though you do not see Him, isn't it? So yun din, dapat maniwala rin kayo sa pangarap ninyo mga mahal. Eh, lalo na ito, pinatungkulan ng marami talaga sa inyo nangangailangan ng money. Ito na mga babes. Nakuha ko dito. Money is coming. Advice po for Gemini for the month of November, please. Okay, let's go. Gemini, advice of universe for you guys or angels and spirit guides. Water, magic, yeah, emotions will really running high right here and it looks like, see, meron kayo ditong bagong kaalaman, may madi-discover kayo dito sa sarili ninyo na pwede nyo maging kalakasan, no? And see, happiness is coming your way. Dolphin is a powerful sign right here that you will receive genuine happiness. Yeah, so nakikita ko rito na kung ano man itong paparating sa inyo, no? Nakikita ko rito na matatanaw at talagang mafe-feel so connected kayo here, no? This book is nakalutang, no? So it looks like this is inner knowing. Like, mayroon ka rito madidiscover, no? Like, wonders of the world or something to do with universe and spirituality. Yung iba may kinalaman sa manifestations. This will really open your eye that you can really co-create with the universe kung anong gusto mong mangyari sa life mo. And yes, it is. And at the bottom of the deck, we've got here the sun and the stars. Wow! Yeah, you're gonna observe here that your wishes will unfold gradually here in your life. With the moon, you do not see this coming, but you'll see, okay, you'll see because the sun is here. The sun will illuminate right here ng mas malinaw, no? Na yung mga pangarap mo yung nagsisimula ng mangyari at maganap dito, Gemini. Wow! So, claim and receive this honey because these are all yours. Yan, no? Hindi ko lang kung gusto nilagay lahat dyan. May space pa dito. Pero thank you so much. Sarang ngayong love and life. Annyeong.